guys, today I'm going to do some of my favorite NHL goal horns, starting with 31, and I have his 31, the Anaheim Ducks. Let me turn up the volume real quick for y'all so you can hear it. Not that much. And that's how we'll get started today with 31, the Anaheim Ducks. Excuse me. And let's see if we can find my 30. As you can basically see who my next one will be, as it's at the bottom. 30, I have the Edmonton Oilers. So I don't really like their horn much, and I don't really like their goal song either. So same with the Ducks. I forgot to explain theirs, but I really don't like theirs very much, and it's just a straight up horn. And then with the Anaheim, it's just a straight up foghorn, and then yeah, not very good. So let's go to 29. Sorry, you can basically see who I'm going to choose before I do. Oops. St. Louis's, I just really don't like. I don't know, whatever type of music this is. So, yeah, and their goal horn kind of, I mean, it's okay. But, I mean, it's not my favorite. Kind of sounds like Tampa Bay's, which I have ranked earlier. So, that's really my top 3. Or my least favorite top 3. So, it's Anaheim 31, Edmonton 30, St. Louis 28. And some of them, I'll tell you which color, and these are in the reds. I'll tell you when I think these stop with 2 more. And next. Yeah, sorry this isn't very accurate. The Flames, I just don't really like their horn at all. And then their song just really doesn't click with me at all, so not much favor for them. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I don't really like Buffalo's horn either. That's why I had them so low. But their whole song is okay. So those are all my reds, with Calgary at 28 and Buffalo at 27. So that's all my reds. Now we'll get into orange, which is 26 through 23. And starting off at 26, we will go all the way down here to the not Maple Leaf, sorry. The Vancouver Canucks. Their horn, same for Buffalo. I mean, I just really don't know. I had them under. Well, I kind of actually like their goal horn, but their goal song just kind of kills me. I'm like, I do not like this. Sorry if I offend anybody, but just how I like it. They have the same one as Columbus, but I just like Columbus's goal horn more too, so that's why they're higher up by a lot. So we will go to 25. Yeah, sorry again, this isn't very accurate. I actually really like the Florida Panthers goal horn. The reason they're ranked so low is their goal song. I really just, yeah, I don't like it. But I do like the Panther roar about right here somewhere. Yeah, so I actually do like that and their goal horn, but not really so much the song. It's just kind of throws me down. But then that's what we have at 25. So that's 31 through 25 already done. Now next we will have numbers 24. Sorry again, this is not very accurate. The next team. You see we have 23. I don't really like their goal horn very much, but the only reason I have 24 is their goal song, which pulled them up more than they were going to be. I mean, I don't really like this part, but then when it goes into We Them Boys, that's when I kind of start to like it. And I can get to it. So that's what we have at 24, is the Philadelphia Flyers. And next we will go all the way back here just to come right back. Yeah, see, same as Vancouver's, as I said earlier. Kind of like Buffalo's. I don't really like their goal horn. But the only reason they're an orange colored team is because of their goal horn. But I don't know, something about this. The Dallas Stars chant just gets on my nerves. I don't know why. They just need to do something besides just chant Dallas Stars. And then this goes right to rock music after that. So yeah, not my favorite. So the next team I have is the Pittsburgh Penguins. Their goal song kind of really pulls them down for me. I actually kind of like their goal horn, as they'll be my top-ranked orange team. Yeah, we will be 22, and that's how we will end our orange, and we will make our way to 21 and the color of yellow. Winnipeg actually kind of like their horn, but I do have them ranked as my lowest yellow. It's just because the other yellow teams actually like more, and their goal song kind of pulls them down from being a yellow-green. So next we will go to our 20th team, and that will be right here. Oops. Goal horn's okay. Could be better. But then they just go right into You Suck, which is actually pretty funny. But I don't like the tune to it, though. But both of them are pretty neutral. That's why I had the New Jersey Devils as ranked 20 and put into ranked 20 and in the yellow category, as they are a very neutral team for me. Washington Capitals 19. I actually like their goal horn quite a bit, even though they are in the Carolina Hurricanes division, who is my favorite team. Their goal song kind of pulls them down from being, which puts them at 19. I would like them more if they're. I mean, I do like the siren, and congratulations to them for winning the Stanley Cup, though. So that's to them right there. And next we will find 18. I actually like this team's goal horn, but the only reason to have them about down here is kind of their goal song, instead of being a yellow-green team. But I'll put this team right here, the Colorado Avalanche. I actually really like their goal horn. And then it goes right into a siren like a warning, so I like that. But I just don't really like at all their goal song. So we'll go next to our team here. Here it kind of sounds like quite a bit of others horns, like for example Tampa Bay. But then I actually kind of like their goal horn's okay, but I actually kind of like their goal song more. So that's why they are a yellow team. And then they go into a Go Leafs Go chant. And so they are ranked 17th for that reason. And next one, the only reason they're here is because of their goal horn. I don't like it as much, but their goal song I actually like pretty well, as should most people. With 2 long foghorns, 16 the Boston Bruins. But everybody, I'm pretty sure, likes their goal horn. So, and then we'll fly into 15 here. 15 here is the Ottawa Senators. Their goal horn's okay. Dang it, buffering. Come on, load. Their goal horn's okay, but with 2 sirens sounding like things, but I more like their goal horn, which is kind of stolen from the Atlanta Thrashers. Yeah, I still remember this. I don't know why. But that is the end of our yellow section, and we will go into yellow-green. Detroit actually kind of really like their goal horn too, but the only reason they're my lowest yellow-green is because of their goal song, which I actually do kind of like, but with the 3 horns at the start, I actually like them. I mean, I still actually kind of like their freaking goal song too, but it's not my favorite. As we will skip the LA Kings and go to our next team. Which is the Minnesota Wild. I actually really do like their goal horn. And then the reason I have them 13 is, excuse me, I don't like their goal song as much as their goal horn, but I actually still like it pretty well. And then I don't even think I have to skip a team to go to the next one, if you can assume who that is. Actually, I still kind of like their, but that's 13. Still kind of like their goal song, but still, that's 13, Minnesota Wild. And 12, Montreal. I actually kind of really like their horn at the goal horn at the front, and then it goes into this song I freaking get stuck on my head all the time, every time I hear it. So 12, Montreal Canadiens. And then they go into a go Habs go. So, And then next, I will go. Excuse me, I think I skipped one earlier. I think I said Detroit was 14. Yeah, 14. Montreal was 13. 12. Okay. Tampa. Yeah, I kind of forgot about them. Yeah, sorry, I kind of had some numbers wrong. Forgot about Tampa Bay. I had them next in line after Montreal. Actually, like both, as they're 11. Oh crap, sorry. Halfway stopped paying attention. And this is my number 10, right? Here. The New York Rangers actually kind of really like their goal horn, but what definitely pulls them up into our last yellow-green is their goal song. Right here. As this will also get constantly stuck in my head. So, and that is and now we will go into our our last 9 here. Is the New York Rangers were our number 10. And now last we will have the start of our green group, and we will start them off with, I know you can see them at the bottom, so I'm just going to say it, with the Chicago Blackhawks. I like their goal horn, but I actually like their goal song more. So, we will start in the green category with Chicago at 9. Excuse me. As I'll skip their goal horn. Oops. Yeah, sorry I'm skipping some of this. I'm not very accurate. That will throw us to our next team for 8. Kind of rude, but pretty funny still. I actually really kind of like their goal horn. It kind of sounds like Buffalo's, but something about Nashville just clicks with me better. But I like this part of the goal horn song. I don't know why. I don't like much country music, but I like this part. But then they just go right into the offense. Just right into insulting the other team. Right here. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny to me. And next goes to a team called number 7. Columbus Blue Jackets. I like the goal horn. And then the cannon. So I actually really like that part of the cannon. And I don't know, I just like it more because it starts from the beginning instead of Vancouver starts from kind of like the end of the song. So we will go into 6 now. Back towards the very beginning. Arizona, I like their goal horn and I like their goal song too. So, and then the Coyote Howl. That actually pulls it up for me, as that sounds pretty good. And then now into the 2 train horns of LA, and then to the hey, hey, hey chant. I just like both of them. I don't know, I just like both of them, so it's just one of my favorite it's my number 5 for that reason. Next one, just like everything about it, the goal horn, and then all chants just catch my ear, and I love it. Even though I don't like to hear them score when they're facing the Hurricanes, I still do like to hear this goal horn. And then into the woo chant, and then it goes into yeses. And then it goes into a bunch of yeses. So that's my number 4, and I like their goal song, especially as their logo, too. Number 3, starting off with the Carolina Hurricanes. I really like their goal horn, especially, and then their goal song is my favorite out of all teams. It just... And then I think you really, especially when you go to a bunch of hockey games, or even if you just watch them on TV, especially with the Carolina Hurricanes being my favorite team and my home state team in North Carolina, I think you just get used to that, and that just like automatically becomes your favorite. But I didn't want to rank them 1, and plus 2 of these next goal horns actually enjoy more than listening to than the Carolina Hurricanes goal horn, which all home teams or home state teams, they all just catch your ear just because you're so used to them and you just love them. So freaking load, come on. Dang it, as soon as you load. And 2 is the 2 foghorns and just a catchy song to go with it. So I actually really like the Sharks, as they will be a good 2. But still not my favorite. As my favorite goes, my favorite NHL goal horn goes to the Vegas Golden Knights. They will get my favorite, with the 2 horns with a break in between them. I mean, their goal song isn't my favorite, but I just really, really like their goal horn. And then they go into a Go Knights Go chant. I just really like theirs. So that's what I got for today, and see you next time.